4.B.3, Widow's Retirement, Al-Idda, Waladina yutawafawna minkum wa yadharuna azwajayatarambasna beanfusehinna arba'ata ashurin washran fa'idha balagna ajalahunna fala junaha alaykum fima fa'alna fi anfusihinna bil ma'ruf wallahu bimma ta'maluna khabir wala junaha alaykum fima aradtum bihi min qitba. Surah 33, ayat 50. Surah 2, ayat 234 and 235. The wives left by those of you who die must wait for 4 months and 10 days before they are able to dispose of their own selves. When they have reached the prescribed time, what they do honestly with themselves should not be imputable to you. Literally, it would be no sin on you or the next of kin. God, of what you do, is well aware there will be no sin against you, and that you offer marriage an-nisa'i awaknandum fi anfusikum alimallahu annakum satankurunahuna walakinna tuwa'iduna siran ila antaqulu qawlan ma'rufan wala ta'zimbu data nikahi hata yamlu'al kitaba ajalahu wa'lamu anallaha ya'lamu ma fi anfusikum fahdharuhu wa'lamu anallaha ghafurun halim. To these women, our harbor, exactly, keep secret this design in your hearts. God knows that you will think of it, but do not propose, literally make promises to them in secret unless you do so with honest intentions, literally reasonable speech. Enter not into the marriage convention until is reached the prescribed time. Know that God knows all that is in your hearts, so beware, but remember that God is forgiving and indulgent.